18 reverse, we're going to write a method. It's going to be called reverse, and it accepts a map from integer to strings as its parameter. I'm calling it map1, and it's going to return a new map, so our return type is here, of strings to integer, and it's going to reverse the original. And we have more details about that here. You can read that because it's important. It has to do with keys and values and how we can only have one type of key in our map. So we have this example as well, and it's going to tell us what we need to do essentially. The first thing that I'm going to do is make a new map for this. So we have this map2, and we can see its type, string integer, it's the same as our return type right here. And all we want to do is swap these values. Now, if we do have the same value, like notice how we have a 42 Marty, and then we have a 3 Marty, we're just going to update our Marty to be 3. This is super simple. All we need to do is a for loop. So we'll have a for, we're going to run this int a, and then we're going to do this for the whole map 1, and we'll do dot key set. And this is going to return a set of all of the keys in here, so that we can go through every single key in our map and look at the values. Now, we just want to switch this. This is super easy. We'll do map2.put, and for our key, we're going to get the value of our a. So we'll do, and this should also, yeah, that's good as being an int, because we are going to go through the key set, and this is starting with an integer. So integer, int here, this is a for each loop. We'll do map2.put. We'll do map1.get our a value, and then we'll pass in the a. So this is swapping the value in our key. We should end that line. Once we are done with this for loop, this for each loop, that's going to be pretty much it. And we can just return our map2. Pretty much it for that problem. If you do have any questions, you can always leave them in the comments below. There's more videos in the playlist link below the like button if you want more practice. And that is the code in it for exercise 11.18 reverse.